Hi guys, we're going to the beach. I love beach, do you know? Cause I want to swim, I want to splash. I mean not splash each other, just splash myself. And then go find some shells. That's what I love. I love oceans. Beach. So let's get to it. Look at this fancy mask. It's beautiful, isn't it? I don't know what to do with it. So we're at the same place. Oh, middle of the road. Anyways, guys, probably the beach is too far away, so instead we're going there. Okay, so we are in Ligos, but not yet. Oh, never mind. There's many clouds in it. I don't know. Oh, look at that many cars. I mean fun. So we are at the 11, but we passed it. Oh, look at that internet. I don't know. First, we're going to fuel up the engine, then go to the beach. Okay, so that was what fuel is. Just in place. Do anyone knows 6 times 100? Oh, I remember now. It's 600. Times means 6 times 100, and then you get a plan 600. So that's what times it is. But in plus you count your fingers. We're done fueling up. Go to the beach. Traffic lights. Don't worry, everyone. And the traffic lights are fixed. Middle of the road again. I know you're nervous, guys, but don't worry. It's always recording. And I am age 8. My brother is 10. Mom, how old are you?
29.
Yes. Okay, it's 29, guys. My mom is age 29. Say hi, Mom.
Hello, everyone. How are you?
See? My mom's friendly. Also, that is the funniest. Cause, you know why that's funniest? Cause Dad always play guitar with a broomstick. I don't know.
Crazy, right?
And then he danced. It was crazy. So that's what funny is. Nalapas me. I mean. We missed the right turn. We're going to the what is it again? Oh, almost there. Few more roads. Hour later. And we're in Padada. Wait, there's an ocean into the Padada.
Yes.
We can ligo there. We can swim there as whatever you want. It's raining. Not raining. I said in the last hour it was raining. In the last 4 hours. In the last 2 hours. But let's get now. Oh, I was just singing. Almost there. Oh, super almost. Super duper almost. There you go. We're here. Guys, we're here.
We're finally here and we're walking.
Ay,
Maulaw siya. Maulaw ka? Bako na kayo.
wala, hindi ka na.
I'm very shy. I'm very shy.
Let's go.
I don't want to go.
You don't want?
I'm going in the water.
Okay, let's go.
No.
Shy siya ganina. Karoon mo. Ito na siya. Oh.
I tell me how to see a sunset turn into a sunrise. God gives us a try. So hello guys, this is from last hour, right? So we're moving to our house again. So and then swimming. I was afraid of it, but now I'm not. It was raining fast. It was raining fast. So we can hear the clouds. But it's almost night. I hope we can make it. So, guys, did you have fun with my video? Subscribe a little, but please get in a notification bell and then ring a thumbs up for me. Bye! Song for you guys. We go! The sunlight always been. The sunlight always protect us, just like Jesus. Of the name of Jesus. Done. Hope you like it. Thumbs up, subscribe and thumbs up on my video, and then click the notification bell. Bye.